Hello guys, you know my name, and today I'm going to make a giant squid battle with bone. First I need some line. Let's start making it. First I need to roll it like this. Next I use this card to cut it in half. I use the big one to make a smaller and the small half to make a giant squid. I need to roll it to make a smaller. When I roll it like this, I need my card to flatten two of the sides. And then I need it to make the head. First I need the card to cut in the middle of the piece. And like this, I need to make it smooth like this. Then I need to form it down to make a snowball's back. I need to cut it a bit from the bone to make the tail and the fin. So I need to roll it like this. Then I use this. I need to squeeze, push it down. Then I use a card, cut it in half. I put the small half here. Then I use this, put this, and then I cut it in this, like a triangle. Then I put this and stick it at the toe. Then I use this. I need to cut it into a triangle. And then I need to cut it in half. Then I need to put it on the side. Then I'm done spelling. Now let's make a giant squid. I use the big ball to make spoons, so the small ball is to make the giant squid. You roll it, and then with each what it needs to be smaller than the spoon, but long. So one like this, and use a card, cut it in half. There's me making the tendons. Now I need the piece here. I need to roll it out. Cut a bit of here and then here. Then I need to cut a wire like this. Okay. And now I use this LG to hold to make the eyes of the giant squid. Now I need to flatten it. And now I need to cut it in half. Then I stick it here on the giant squid. Then I need to stick the squid about here. It needs to be a little bit back. And now I stick on this. Be careful with this, or the giant squid will fall. Next thing, roll it into the roll it. It's a little thin. So I need a piece. Then I need to cut it, roll it again, and stick it like this. Do it all of it exactly. Okay. And now we order with a giant squid apple pie with a spoon. Thank you for watching. Bye.